All right, guys, how are you going, fellow congruents? Quick practice round on Matt's homework from yesterday. So it's the congruency frame or hook for coaches. So, all right. So, hey, Chris, have you found what you're looking for? He goes, no, not really. I'm still looking. All right. And what are you looking for? He goes, blah, 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 blah. Okay, perfect, man. We can definitely go through all that. But before we do, just want to say I really love talking with other coaches, because they have that congruency of speech and action, know the importance of enhancing their own development as they lead their own students. You know what I mean? They're like, yeah, kind of. Yeah, it's being able to, step up and make those tough decisions that allow us to move our life forward. I'm sure you know those people who say, "Oh, okay, yeah, I need to speak to my partner," or I'll email you that over. I'll take a look. Or the best one, I'll definitely do it next week or next month, right? If you ever take a loop around those people and you know you had a chat with them 2 years ago, they're still in the same place. So I just want to commend you, acknowledge you, for stepping up, putting your hand up, and yeah, saying you really want this change. So well done. Take two, same homework. Hey Chris, so have you found what you've been looking for? He's like, no, not really. And what are you looking for? He goes, blah, blah, blah. Okay, perfect, man. We can definitely go through all that. But before we do, just wanted to say, really love, talking with other coaches. You know what? Because they have that congruency of speech and action, and they know the importance of enhancing their own development, as they lead their own students. You know what I mean? Yeah, kind of. Yeah, it's being able to step up and make those tough decisions that allow us to move our life forward. And I'm sure you know those people who say, "Oh, I need to speak to my partner," or "Can you email me that?" Or the best one of my favorites. Yeah, I'll definitely do it. Next week or next month. So even if you take a look at around of those people you had a chat with 2 years ago, and they're still in the same position. So yeah, I just wanted to commend you and acknowledge you for stepping up. Putting your hand up and saying you want change. So yeah, well done, my friend.